Yala Yala. My brother is a seagull, a whale, a shark, the sea creature, the seagull. Fine as a jelly.
Yes.
Flappy as a stingray.
Oh, yes.
And deadly as a stingray.
Oh, that is what I am.
Chief Yala Yala Zemina in the house.
Yes.
Shall I not call on the waters to pour a libation of the great seas at your feet? Chief Yala Yala.
That is me. Dum Dum the Great. The archer, the one who shoots his arrows like one incensed by the gods. A shepherd with engorged murmurings, but not like your usual shepherd. He will not hesitate to eat his flock.
That is me, Chief. That is the David you talk about.
Where do you think you are going to?
Are you alright?
Where do you think you are going
Are
to?
you crazy?
Uloma, I am warning you, don't try this nonsense with me again. Do you understand me? Don't try it. I have single bone and I will use it on you. Hey! Hey! I cannot serve my man and you think I will let you go serve him? Meaning what? I am his fiancée. Don't you ever forget that.
And he is my uncle. I am his beloved niece.
I am his beloved betrothed fiancée. Get that into your teaspoon.
Really?
Yes, really.
Who else can usher in the seagull if not the ego himself?
Who can be a better host than David? The secret of you.
Chief Yala Yala, welcome to my haven.
I greet you.
Please come with me.
Thank you.
Akbe,
Yes, sir.
what is it?
Sir, Samantha and Uloma are fighting in the kitchen. Nothing I have said has specified them. Sir, please, I need your help, sir.
Women. Let me usher you in, then I'll go and handle my domestic problems.
No problem behind you.
Chief Yala Yala. Please proceed to the
Thank you.
This is your dwelling place too.
Do you know how many of your type I have seen come and go from this house?
Girl, that is in the past.
Oh, really?
And the future. And even his present right now. I am here to stay. The real deal. Do you understand?
Time will tell.
You
Respect yourself.
I said, let me show you. I will treat you like a child. I'll be broken and I will flog you like a child.
What is going on?
Can you imagine? I made breakfast for you. I should only let me serve you for what is this? In my own man's house.
What is this?
Go to your man's house and show him.
kill you.
Go to your boyfriend's house and cook.
You want to kill
cook
me?
for him.
You want to kill
my man's house and I live for my man. Eh?
It's okay. It's okay, guys. Oh Lord. See, guys, I can actually eat the both meals. Uloma, you made the custard and the bread, right?
Yes, uncle. And it's very healthy.
Oh, with green tea.
Look at the eggs. Look at the amount of eggs you made. Don't you want to kill you with excess cholesterol? What is this?
It's okay. It's okay. Sam.
Samantha, baby.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Samantha.
You made the egg, the plantain, and the tea, right?
Yes, baby. But I'm sure you heard when this little brat opened her mouth and accused me of wanting to kill you.
Oh.
This Tata.
Look at this retired Port Harcourt Pilolo.
Excuse me.
What? Calling me a tata.
Oh, are you? Can you both stop it now? Come on, this is becoming of you. You both can share recipes. It's allowed. Okay? Now keep this meal. By the time my guest is gone, I'll eat from the both meals. Iyendeba. I eat a little bit from here and a little bit from you.
For how long?
Until that's your man, your so-called fiancé that has been dating you for donkey years decides to come from abroad and marry your ass out of this house. This house is 100% mine. It's my man's house, okay? David is not your husband and he's definitely not your father.
David is my father. Okay?
Says who?
David? Ask him.
Says who?
He had me with his high school sweetheart. I think it's high time the truth came out. Dad, tell her.
David, is she saying the truth? You have a grown-up daughter. And you told me she's your late brother's daughter. Do you know?
You see, Sam.
Samantha, baby.
Okay, Samantha. Alright. She said that to get back at you. I mean, you guys were fighting, so perhaps she said that to rile you. See, we have a daughter-father relationship. I raised her after my late brother died with his wife in an accident. So, literally, she's my daughter. I love you, you know it. I love you, you're my future. I love you. I love you. No, so, come here.
Stop.
Alright, okay. So,
Akwe, pour me some drinks. Thank you.
the seagull himself.
David,
Yes.
your servant here told me so much about the problem between your fiancée and your niece that they don't see eye to eye. Always struggling for your attention.
Oh. He told you?
Oh, yes, he did. Akwe, I think that's enough. I'll pour for myself. You can take it now.
Thank you.
No, it's okay. Mr. David. Yeah. This makes the matter for which I came to see you more difficult to express.
My Lord Yola.
Yes.
What matter?
Who will you offer to us? For some years now, you have not given us a sacrifice. The sea creature this time demands a sacrifice that you love most. Remember, it must be one that you love most from the depths of your heart. Who will it be?
My Lord Yola. I love the both of them.
Equally?
I would say so.
Oh. In that case, there are dire consequences. You have a problem with your heart and the issues in your heart. Big problem. Drink with me. Drink up.
Uncle, please. My baby. What is it? Does your head ache?
Yes.
I'm gonna kiss it away. Come here. Should I kiss it again? Does it feel better? Yeah, go ahead and eat, yeah? What's the problem? Is it her food?
Come on, will you get out of here?
What is it again? Huh? Can't I have a tiny little bit of peace in my house? Just because of my niece or my fiancé? Let me just have peace, guys.
My love, don't raise your voice, okay? Don't mind her. She's just being a child. And she likes to think that she's your favorite.
Of course I am.
Not anymore. That changed when I arrived.
Oh.
Samantha. Please sit down.
No, baby. Let me just stand here so I can just massage your pain away.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to ask you a question. Do you really want to be my favorite?
Yes. Am I not?
Sure you are. Uloma,
Yes, uncle.
are you sure you want to be my favorite?
Of course I am.
I don't think you girls know what it means to be my favorite. You don't know what it means to be the one I love the most. Do you?
Well, I love to think that it means that from henceforth she will have to shut her mouth and let me pilot the affairs of my home.
Well, it means that you have to respect the daughter of this house. The daughter of your husband to be. The daughter that has been with him through these years. Uncle, I can't believe this. Do you really want someone you met on the flight take over the affairs of this house and take over being your favorite? A flight I made you not to miss that morning. Come on now, it's not done, uncle. Please eat your food. Please. Okay.
I lost my appetite.
Uncle, please. What's the matter?
And why don't you bloody ask your tasteless custard and dry bread?
Oh, please.
Ask it. Ask. Rubbish.
The winds of the mountains, the mountain of the wild of the earth of the gods of our people of wealth, the wealth of blood, the blood of sacrifice, the earth of the gods of our people of wealth, the wealth of blood, blood of sacrifice, the sacrifice of our beloved. The wind of the wild,
The wild of the mountains of the world, the wild of the earth of our gods,
the gods of our people of the world,
the wealth of blood, the blood of sacrifice, the sacrifice of our beloved.
I can see you, brothers. Before the great Yala Yala. Who does this animal represent? He or she must be someone you love most. Give us a name.
2 names. Choose one.
No, one name. Search your hearts. Remember, the person must be one you love most. Speak!
Let the celebration of blood begin. I shall go home and search my heart for the beloved that I love the most. And I shall send the name tonight.
The eagle of Yala Yala. His sacrifice shall come tonight.
The eagle of the wind, the wind of the mountain of the wild of the earth, the earth of our gods, the gods of our people of wealth, the wealth of blood, the blood of sacrifice, the sacrifice of our beloved.
Ibanda.
Dum dum. The great Yala Yala.
The eagle of the winds, the wind of the mountains.
You okay?
You scared me. Why's your face like that? You look worried. Are you okay?
Fine. Fine.
Although I was waiting for you to come back so that we could have dinner. I've missed you.
Oh. I missed you too. Just that my business meeting took a longer turn. Yeah. So where's Uloma?
A troublemaker. I guess she's sleeping in her room.
Let me go and check up on her.
I don't understand. Check up on her. Why? Is she a child? Maybe let's sleep, John. Please.
Come on. She's my child, I told you. I told you that I raised her since she was 3. I've been her father. Never forget this. I love you. I like violence.
Be fast.
Troublemaker.
Just be fast. Come back fast.
You like trouble, you like violence.
Just be fast.
You like violence too much.
Loma. Loma. What's the problem? Why are you crying?
Olivia Big Sister smashed my ice cream.
Olivia Big Sister smashed your ice cream. Why would she smash your ice cream?
She said I don't have a father. I should go and call my father. Daddy, I am my father.
Yes, I am your father. Why will Olivia say? Why would she say that you don't have a father? See, I am your father. Huh? Nobody should tell you otherwise. I am your father. Uloma, this is your father. And you know, I will protect you. I will guide you. No harm will come to you. Anybody that says that you don't have a father, come and call me. I will tell that person that I am your father. You see that ice cream? I will buy you bigger ice cream. And then we'll go and meet Olivia now. And I will tell her to her face that you have a father. Oh yeah, say it. I have a father.
I have a father.
Say it like you're serious. I have a father.
I have a father.
Say it well. I have a father.
I have a father.
Yeah, come. 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 Okay, now, we'll go and get that ice cream. Bigger ice cream. Yeah, let's go.
I think I love you the most, Ulama. I love you most. Since that day that I heard the news of my brother's death and came from the university to the hospital where the nurses handed you over to me as the only survivor of the accident that took my brother's life. You were only 3 years old. And since then, I have been your father. How will I do this to you, Loma? My beloved niece, how? You said I should not cry. That tears will spoil things. But how can I not cry? When I joined the cult, they told me I could only sacrifice strangers. Never a loved one. But this creature has become more and more hungry and bloodthirsty. Now she's insisting that it must be the blood of a beloved one. A most loved one. No, Uloma.
Eagle of the wind, the wings of the mountain of the wild of the earth of our God.
Oh, I'm supposed to use what, 2 hands?
Uncle, what are you doing?
I was supposed to use 2 hands. I used only 1 hand.
Uncle, what are you doing? Uncle David.
Eagle of the winds, the winds of the mountain of the wild of the earth of our God, the God of our people of wealth, the wealth of sacrifice, the sacrifice of blood, the blood of our beloved. Something has gone wrong. You're supposed to die. You're supposed to die. Not change. What? I've made a mistake. What is this? Chief.
believe this. What is happening to me? No, I can't believe this. What is happening to me? No, I can't believe this. What is happening to me? No, I don't believe this. What is happening to me? What's happening to me? Daddy! Daddy!
What is it? Who are you?
Who am I?
Who are you? Answer me!
Who am I? Who am I? That's what I've been asking myself since I woke up from sleep.
I said, who are you? Where did you come from? Where is Uloma? Do you know Uloma? Where is she? Did she dump you and run away? Answer me! You see? I knew it. I knew it! Uloma definitely gave birth to a child. And now she has dumped the child here for you to raise and she has run away. Look at it. The child has surfaced.
Samantha, shut up your mouth and eat crab and stop breathing.
Is she talking to me? Are you talking to me? Did you hear?
Daddy, who am I? What happened to me?
It's okay. Sam, please go to your room. Let me just spend some time with her. Let me talk to her. Let me know what this person is all about.
Baby, you want me to leave you alone with this stranger?
It's okay.
This child?
It's okay.
Will you be safe?
It's okay, I'll be fine.
Well, I don't know what's going on, but just hurry up and come back to the room and tell me what's up. But if you ask me, I think Uloma has gone into hiding and she has left this thing here for us. Something is really fishy.
Yes,
Something fishy is going on.
Even if anything is fishy, I'll catch the fish. Trust me.
She even had the guts to tell me to shut up and eat crap. What is this?
Just go, just go. Uloma.
Daddy, it's me. Do you believe me?
I believe you. But how come?
I don't know. I saw him at the... I don't know.
You see, my daughter, you were most definitely dreaming. What happened to you wasn't a dream. In our village, the ancestors used to come like this. They come, they will make you small. Then after, they make you big. And these things happen for a certain reason. Because it's trying to make you a big woman in the future. Do you understand me? That time when you become big, you've become a big woman. Don't let anybody hear this.
How?
How? You see how? You see, normally they first make you small. Then after the ancestors will now make you big. So when they now make you big, your name will be large. They will hear your name all over the world. Have you heard of Genevieve Naji before? Have you heard of that name? Your name will be big like that. Your name will be big like Jody.
How, Daddy? How?
How? Just calm down. See, this is between you and me. Nobody else, nobody must know this. Not even Samantha. I'll tell her your name is Pauline. Did you hear that? Pauline. Say Pauline. Say Pauline. Say it. Pauline. Say Pauline. Okay, don't say it. Your name shall be Pauline. Do you understand me? You are now Pauline, no more Loma.
How did I come here? How will you say I find my way here?
I'll just tell her that Uloma had a secret child. And the husband came to drop the secret child here in the house last night. Uloma ran away. Because she feels her secret has been revealed. You understand? So she was ashamed and ran away. So, everybody will now be calling you Pauline. Calm down.
What shall I say to get my girl?
It's okay. Calm down. Pauline, you looked at me. See, calm down, okay? I will handle it, okay?
He was planning to come and marry me.
It's okay. I will handle that. Don't worry. I will handle it myself, okay? Oh, come on. Stop crying, Uloma. Oh, sorry. Pauline. Pauline. I can't make the mistake of calling you Uloma again because you're no more Uloma. Your name now is now Pauline. I'm sorry, Pauline, okay? It's okay. Oh, yeah, just sit down. Just sit down. Be good. Relax yourself. Be calm. You'll be okay. You'll be fine in this house, okay? Just sit down.
Oh, you are the evil one. You think you can steal from me? Now open your mouth, eat. Eat it. Hold her still. Eat it. Eat it. Eat the whole chicken. Eat it. Swallow it. Since you are hungry in my house, since you are never full, eat it. Eat it. How dare you? How dare you steal from me? Listen, all of you. I see you. I have my eyes on you 24 hours. I have my eyes on you. You know why they call me the whale? You know why they call me the eyes? Because I see all things. How dare you steal from my plate? Want to steal from my plate? I will kill you. And you, I saw you yesterday bargaining with the hawker for a rendezvous with my special car. I would have taken both of you for desecrating my special car. Now, you know why they call me Yala Yala? The vengeful one, the whale. Next time you won't be that lucky. Wherever you are hearing the sound of my voice, I am Chief Yala Yala, carried on door. I make and I break. Next time such things happen, you'll be sorry for your lives. Now, wait here for me. I'm not through with you. I'll be back with you. Did I not tell you somebody will be coming here in 30 minutes time? Is it not here? Be careful. This should be the last warning to all of you in this house. Is that okay? Follow me.
A disaster. She did not die. She metamorphosed into a child.
David, I warned you. You didn't listen. When one loves two people equally, they are bound to choose the wrong person. You could have chosen the person you loved, both at heart and in the flesh.
I was thinking it's so lovable. will be deeper and more punitive.
When two people are joined together in love, in the realm of the spirit, it produces light. The spirit sees it as a union, a joining of dreams, will and purposes. If there is anything called love, that should be it.
The whale, the seagull, the shark. I came here seeking solution. What can be done?
Nothing can be done.
Nothing?
Yes. When something is spoiled, it can only be corrected by its own free will. If not, it remains spoiled.
But you know everything. You are the master. Is my niece Uloma going to die?
That I don't know. You made the mistake by choosing the one you love less. First, you misspoke the incantation. Secondly, you laid just one hand on her rather than two. You desecrated our holy orders. You spoiled everything. And the great sea creature rejects your sacrifice.
What? What? How?
Life for life. Your life is the only way out.
No. I cannot die. This life is too sweet. My life is too sweet. I can't die. Seagull, I'm planning on getting married to Samantha. So how will I die?
David, the eagle, once the eagle has turned now to a chicken, the chicken has become the chick. The chick has become the coward. The coward has become the shame of Yala Yala brotherhood of blood and fire. You have desecrated our very others. And only an atonement of blood can solve this issue. David, the servant will show you to the door. The eagle has become a chicken.
The seagull, the whale. And you said there's nothing to be done? Oh, this is not happening. So what do I do? No. Hey. No, Uloma. I know you don't understand this. But it's our culture.
Which type of culture?
You see, Uloma, some people are chosen. Have you heard of chosen before? You are a chosen. I see you as a chosen. It's our culture.
Which type of culture is that?
That's what I'm saying. You might not understand it, but I do understand it. So, these kind of things can happen to you. And then eventually in future, you find out that you're a great person. You know, but I'm thinking of a temporary solution to this. Yeah. I'm thinking maybe we'll just go to the boutique. You know, back somewhere very far from the boutique. Not very far from, close to the boutique. Then you could be dressed like this. Then we'll look around and make sure nobody's looking at us. Then we'll sneak into the store.
So you want me to accept this person?
That's the only way now. Loma, that's the only way. You have to put yourself together.
I don't have any clothes to wear and go to boutique.
That's what I'm saying. Whatever you have, we'll just sneak into a boutique. We'll back in my car close to the boutique. Then you and I will just rush in, hide, you know, like Spider-Man. And then we'll go inside, pick some new clothes that will fit you. Then nobody will suspect you. Only me and you will know that you're Uloma. Everybody will call you Pauline. Do you understand?
What size?
But when we get there, we're going to look for the one that fits you. So this will be between you and I. Nobody will get to ever know this. So people will accept you as Pauline. They'll call you Pauline, and then you're no more worried. But this is greatness. Don't just mafo. That's what they say in Yoruba. They say mafo. This is culture. Okay? Now, you see these things that are happening. It has taken a toll on you and on me. I've been very sad. Come and give me a hug. Make me feel better. So that you can feel better too. Just believe me, I'll take care of you. I'll make sure everything is okay. Okay? Come. Come and hug Daddy. Oh. Thank you. So nobody will ever know this. Only me and you will know that you're Uloma. Every other person knows you as Pauline. Okay? Okay? You know what? Just stay here. Let me go and buy you what you wear to the boutique. Okay? Alright. I'm coming. That's my Uloma. Oh, my Pauline. Hello, Pauline. When I say hello, Pauline, say yes, Papa. Hello, Pauline. Huh? You can be stubborn sometimes, Pauline. You can be very stubborn in this little.
Across the silent plains, a ghostly hunt where sorrow remains. Shadows trapped beneath a crimson haze. The mind trembles on ancient ways. Stars flicker like whispers in the night sky. Mountains cry where forgotten spirits lie. Calm grows louder, cutting through the air. Echo rivers in a hollow dome, humming through the marrow straight to the bone. The eyes they carry like an unseen chain, melodies drifting in forgotten rain. The hum is twists into a chilling stream, wakeful nightmares of a buried dream. It pierces the heartbeat of a sharp refrain.
Step in, Pauline. Hi. Hey, come on. Put your bags here. Put your bag. Bring it closer. Nice.
Wait, so you really took this little child shopping? A wayward girl decides to get pregnant out of wedlock, then abandons the child for you to clothe and care, and you're okay with it. You have decided to wear the responsibility upon yourself. David, you don't have anything better to do with your money.
Oh, Sam. Sam, please, not now. Not now.
I have told you, times with that number, don't call me Sam.
Okay.
I don't like it. It sounds like a boy's name. My name is Samantha.
Okay, Samantha. Not now.
Well, if not now, then when? When do I get to address my grievances, if not now? Tell me!
Please, sir, can you help me with my clothes?
Oh, come on. Pauline, please. Take them inside, okay? Take. Can you carry both of them? Okay, just carry this one. Take this one in.
Wait. When you say take them inside where?
Okay.
I'm going to my room.
Well, you have no room in this house.
I'm going to my mommy's room.
No. Hey. Don't move. In this house, we are not disrespectful. This house, children would respect adults. I'm an adult, so when I'm talking, you stand there and you listen to me. Do you understand me?
I'm ahead of them, Masuwaju. I'm ahead of them, Masuwaju. I'm ahead of them, Masuwaju. You go collect, oh. I'm ahead of them.
You are a brat!
I'm ahead of them.
This is what, come back here!
Masuwaju.
I said come back here! You actually come back here! Dave, you're whistling to the song, that disrespectful song that she's singing to me. You're whistling to it, you're doing backup singer for her. That little girl just hissed at me, disrespected me, and sang an awful song to me. And you're whistling. You're not correcting her. Is that right?
Just leave her alone. Please, Samantha.
Wow. So now you're taking her side. Dave, you're my fiancé. We're supposed to get married. Is this how we're going to do this marriage thing? When you side others against me?
Then allow me to lead.
Lead me to where? You're leading me straight into a dry wall. You're leading me blindly.
Oh,
I have asked you for explanations. What is going on? You're not telling me anything. Instead, you're calling me Sam when you know very well that I don't like being called Sam. What is going on? Huh? What kind of little girl is that? She's singing at my head of Asiwaju. That is an adult song. How would she know to sing such a song if she did not surround herself with adults? God knows the kind of people that raised her. Godly people. Give me an explanation. What is going on?
Oh, Sam.
Sam. Again. I don't even know why I'm still here. Taking all this nonsense from me and this little girl. I don't even know where you brought her from. Me and I'm ahead of Asiwaju. And you'll keep it quiet.
Uloma. I'm sorry. Pauline. Okay, now look up. Samantha. Sam. Oh God. These people they're just going crazy. I don't know what to do now. Sam. Eagle of the wind, the
Winds of the mountain of the world of the earth of our gods.
Daddy, you are the one that did this to me. I know you are the one that did this to me.
Let her go. Everything she wants, I'll give her. Eat your food and leave her alone. My Pauline, my baby, good morning. How was the night? Oh, she wants to drink my tea.
Oh my God! What is this? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you crazy? Have you lost your mind? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why do you have such bad behavior? You know what? I'm going to lock you up in the boys' quarters. You're not going to stay in the main house. Leave me alone.
It's okay. It's okay. Leave her alone. Must you always fight?
Must I always fight?
Why are you doing this to her? Leave her alone.
Are you looking at yourself? She spilled hot tea on you and she poured papa all over your body. And you're asking me, why do you want to fight her? I should leave her alone. Why are you defending her?
She's just a kid. Maybe she's going through trauma or something. Can't you understand this?
What are you saying?
Look at her.
What is wrong with you?
Pauline.
Don't come near me!
It's okay.
Dada, don't come near me!
It's okay. Come. Pauline. Calm down.
Calm what? What is wrong with you? You're even begging her! Dave, did you father this child? Is she your daughter? Because I don't know what is going on. What is going on? Is she your daughter?
If you can shut up, maybe I can focus and solve the problem in front of me. What is it? Now one wrong person mad. Pauline.
Okay, at this point I am done. I am done! Because I think they bewitched you. Maybe they bewitched you, or you're so stupid and I've been so blind to see it all along. You can stay with us. If you want to stay with us, stay with her. Marry her. Do whatever you want with her. I am done. What is all this? I'm leaving you for good. What kind of rubbish is this? She wants you on you. You're taking her. Calm down.
It's okay. You can go.
Are you sick? Okay. No, I will go. My chest.
I want to talk to you.
I know what you did. Last night, I remember something.
I did nothing. True.
I saw you standing there. You spread that your hand. You said something and I fainted.
Huh? Where's the ancestors? I did nothing. The ancestors came. And then they reduced you so they can make you a big woman in the future. And you're going to become very big. After. So it's not me. I didn't do anything. Come, let's go and talk upstairs. What is it? Samantha is your worst enemy. I don't want her to hear what you want to say. Do you want her to find out that you're Uloma? Do you want her to know? I don't want you to talk. I want this to be, you want you to keep quiet. You want your enemy to celebrate your problems. Huh? Come, let's go upstairs.
Jimmy!
Come, respect yourself. I dey warn you seriously, it will worry you. Because I dey beg you, come the massacre for. I'll take you upstairs now, and you will not do anything. Come here! Come here!
Don't touch me!
I say come here!
Don't touch me! I'm warning you!
I say come here! Okay. Think you're stubborn? Huh? Okay. I'll deal with you. I'll take you upstairs and I'll lock you up and you will not be able to do anything. Come here.
Leave me alone! 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 Leave me alone!
Where is it? What do you know anymore?
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Good morning. I'm here to see Mr. Davis' daughter, Uloma. My name is Casey. I'm her fiancé.
Oh, yes, the one who lives abroad.
Yeah, that will be me. She tell you about me?
Yeah, nice to
Nice.
finally meet you.
My pleasure.
Yeah, my name is Samantha. I'm David's fiancée.
Oh, wow. The pleasure's all mine.
Okay.
I see you traveling. I don't really want to take up much of your time. Is Uloma my lover home? Because I've been calling, texting her. She never picked up my calls yet. She knows I'm coming.
You know
And
what? I have decided to cancel my journey. I want to stay back and host you myself.
You sure about that?
Yes, of course.
Fantastic.
So I'm not.
Thank you. Thank you for changing your plans. You sure?
Yes, it's fine. I want to host you myself. Okay?
Great.
Yeah, let's go.
Great.
Let's go inside.
Thank you.
So, are you just coming from the airport?
No. I'm checking to a hotel. This I think I bought for her. And a couple of our things too.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you.
What you face it, you can face him. Go. Go.
Good morning, Oga Kese. Oga David say, ma give you this drink, small time, he go join you.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much, little girl. Thank you. Where is Auntie Uloma?
I've not seen her.
I mean, since I came here, I've been asking everybody about her. No one has told me anything. Did she say I offended her? Did she talk to you? Do you know her? Doesn't she want to see me?
I won't see you. Oh. No. She won't see you, but she know there.
All right, but where is she?
I don't know. In case Oga David come, he go fit tell you.
Something is wrong. Little girl, the last time I was in this house, this was Uloma, my love's room. Are you not the one in her room? And you're sad too. What is wrong? Who's making you want to cry? Huh?
Nothing. Oga Casey, please go back to your sitting room. Oga David will not be happy to see you here.
You know my name. Who told you my name?
Of course, I told her to bring a drink to Mr. Casey.
Hi, Mr. David.
How are you?
I'm okay. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
You look good, bro.
You look good too. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
By the way, what are you doing in my house girl's room?
This was my love Ulama's room the last time I was here. And I've been here for a while. I haven't even seen her. I thought she was avoiding me, so I took the initiative to come and check. I mean, I've been here for some time now. No one has told me anything. I met your fiancée at the gate, and she said, ask Mr. David. I met this little one. She said, ask David. So, Mr. David, where is my love? Where's the love of my life? Where's Ulama?
Oh.
And she seems to be sad. She's been saying, oh, well, I mean, something's wrong with her. You need to take time to find out what's wrong with the little girl. And speaking of which, isn't she too little to be a house girl? Because in the civilized world, it's called child abuse.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Casey. Thank you very much for your advice, okay? But she's my relative.
Okay.
Okay, and she lives here. This is her home. So she's not a house girl. So where you come from, don't little girls run errands for their seniors? I mean, so where is the abuse coming from? I mean, when or where is it wrong for a little girl to do some house chores or run errands for her relative? See, don't bring this American thing here. This is Africa, okay?
Okay, I totally get it, but where is Uloma? I am dying to see her. Where is she?
Oh.
You see, your stay here is disturbing this little girl, okay? Why don't we just leave so you stop evading her privacy?
Sure.
Yeah.
You okay?
She's okay. She's fine. It's fine. We can leave now, please.
Did she go out? Is she running from me? Is she avoiding me? Did I do something? Can someone stop talking to me? I don't know what's going on. Damn. I saw the big house. You had hiding house somewhere?
I don't know, sorry. Casey.
Yeah, David.
You've been asking about Uloma.
Sure.
But I really don't know how to say this. Uloma has changed. She kind of moved on.
Ulama has changed in what ways?
Yeah, kind of. She has followed another man. She requested that I do not tell you this. Okay? I should not tell you her whereabouts. So that's what's up. She changed and she expects that maybe you move on when you go back to America. You probably move on with another woman.
Which Ulama did this? Ulama planned this trip with me. She knew I was coming. She booked my flight. She was a video caller with me every time I was shopping for her. We planned this trip. How Ulama did this to me? She pulled the rug?
Wow.
Why? What did she say I did? No, I don't believe this. Ulama would never do this to me. I don't believe this. She would never do this to me. Seriously. Seriously, there's something wrong here. There's something really wrong here. I don't believe this.
What is the matter?
I can't check whether the drink is finish.
What check is you checking about the drink? Oh, what is this?
What a sad day. What is going on in your house?
Pauline, what's going on? Why are you doing this? What is this?
Sorry, sir. Now, Auntie Uloma call me for phone say whether you dey okay. Whether you dey okay, say she love you.
Shh.
Ulama called you on phone and told you to tell me that she loves me?
She said she no wrong with any man. She said that if you dey patient, she fit come back to you.
Where is she?
I don't know. Oga, sorry. Sorry. As I pour you the wine, make her go fire her cleaner.
Get out of here. Come on, get out of it.
Please, I mean...
She doesn't know what she's saying. She's just a little girl. She's just babbling.
Yeah,
look
that's
at
what
what
she's a kid. Don't
she
scream
just
at
thinks
her.
it's a joke or something.
You just think I should go talk to her some more and
No,
get
no,
more
no,
information about what happened to Uloma?
No. Casey, listen. You don't have the right to talk to my house girl without my permission.
You just told me she's not a house girl.
Any girl in this house, every girl in this house, it would be disrespectful of you to just bump on my girls. I need to permit you.
I agree. You're right. Cheers, Mr. David. Cheers. Let's drink up. Cheers.
Oh yeah, come on. Why not?
Yeah.
Why not?
I'd like to use the restroom.
Little one, I am so mad at you. I am terribly mad at you, little one. You cannot tell me that you are this slow. How can you be this slow? Your auntie who left home without telling nothing to no one calls you on phone and you did not even remember the number she calls you with? You did not even save the number she called you with? And you can't remember the number she called you with? How can you be this slow? Tell me. Are you a baby? I am mad at you. I am so terribly mad at you.
Okay. Na private number she take call me. The number no show.
Kay? Did you just call me Kay? That is what Uloma calls me. Who taught you to call me Kay?
She say ma call you Kay, na so I take sabi the name.
So why do you have those sad eyes?
Which sad eyes?
Sad eyes?
I don't have any sad eyes.
What if you tell you about me?
Casey, can't you see that you're traumatizing this little girl?
She's hiding something. I need to know what she's hiding.
She's hiding what? Listen, I insist. I want you downstairs. Leave this room right now. This is my house, if you must know. I told you to stay downstairs, and you only disrespect me by coming upstairs. Adhere to my solution, and then you'll be okay.
I'm looking for my love. I'm looking for the love of my life, so I'm traumatizing her? How on earth am I traumatizing the little girl? Alright, I get you. I totally get it. I'm in your house. I will listen to you. Like you said, I have to do as you said.
Please, out.
But you all better start talking.
No.
We're talking fast.
Can't leave now. Just leave. You. What nonsense were you telling him? You will stop this nonsense. Do you want him to know you are Uloma?
You think it's easy? Daddy. That I beg no this thing will do me. Have I ever do something wrong?
See, sometimes in life, okay, innocent people get hurt. Nobody can explain it. I wish I can explain this. Okay?
Please, Ma.
What?
Please.
You need to behave yourself. I don't want to see you with that man again. See you with him? Let me see you with that guy again.
Daddy, please, Ma. Don't want this to me,
David.
Chief.
I call you David. Who is he? Do you know?
That should be me, Chief.
I'm speaking of the biblical David. Do you know that you and David in the Bible have certain similarities?
Oh no, Chief, no. That won't be totally true. David was a good man. I'm not.
No. David wasn't always a good man. The prophet Nathan in the Bible, speaking to him, told him this: you chose to sacrifice a neighbor's sheep, the only sheep he had, and left yours. He was punished for that. Like you. You chose to leave the one you loved and sacrificed a woman beloved by another man.
I'm totally confused at your morality, Chief. I never knew you to be this moral.
Oh, I am not moral. But there are rules to be obeyed. David, I know you came here in search of solution. Solution you will get. That young man living with you has so much love for his woman in his heart. If he gives up, if he stops waiting, if he stops believing, if she stops hoping that she will return, that will be fine. Because the lady will eventually die. He has her love. He has her life in his love.
Chief, what if he will not turn around? What if that idiot just keeps loving and waiting for her? I don't want Uloma to die.
Oh, that will be a choice. It will either be you or Samantha that will pay the price.
No, Chief. This.
David,
That's not possible.
I am through with you. Go home. Do all you can to stop the young man from loving Uloma. I see a blazing furnace of love. You have so much to do. Quench that blazing fire of love with water.
This is disaster. Chief, this is the end of the road.
Enough of this discussion.
What? No, Chief. No, Chief, you can't just walk away like that now. We're still talking. Chief! God, what is this Chief trying? No, Chief, it's not possible. Chief, I'm not going again, no. Chief, this is the end of the road. I don't do again. After Mata will die. How will Mama go die? Chief, you don't tell me now. You don't break them down. Something where they shop cow, beast where they shop animal, just change, begin chop person. Now Lido, this is the end of the road, Chief. I don't need this one though. I don't do. Chief, I don't do. I don't do again, Chief. I got a light to me now. Light to me inside. Light to me. I lied, Chief. I don't just told me the details. You could have just let me know. How?
Yeah. I know.
That woman captured it properly. She said there's a warmth.
But once you feel.
She said it's a warm that assumes from you.
Yeah.
Do you hear one little thing? See that?
You want to see here?
I just see.
Okay.
Okay, now you tell me. What are the 5 qualities you expect to see in your husband?
Okay, that is easy. That's an easy question. Let's say, at first thoughts, my mind would want to say love. But I think that is basic. That is the first thing that I expect from my man, so I'm not going to count it as number 1. I feel like my man should love me unconditionally already. So the official first thing would be security. I would love to feel secured in a relationship. Then 2 would be, I would want to feel protected.
Security, protection. Are they not the same thing?
Baby, they're not the same. There's a difference, okay? You see, to me, security is about provision and emotional stability. And then protection is about feeling safe. You know that feeling of safety that you get when you're with the man that you love? Knowing that he would never do anything to hurt you or harm you. I wouldn't want to be with a man that would get angry someday and beat me. Or he would get so mad that he would strangle me in my sleep. Or someday need me for something very fetish. All these juju things or money ritual. All those things.
Don't go there. Don't try it. I mean, it's not me. I'm not the man in this picture you're painting.
I know.
Okay, I'm just a loving man.
I know. And that is why I love you. And I chose you.
I love you too.
But you asked for it, so I'm listing it for you. Creating it, I'm letting you know.
That's okay. Bring it on.
But truly, my love, some people are like that. They would hide their true colors and you would never know anything about them. You would think that they love you and they trust you and you trust them and you guys are an item for life, and then one day they would wake up and surprise you in the most unimaginable way.
Not my type kind of man, okay? And if I were the most wicked man on this earth, and perhaps I'm killing every living being, I will never kill you.
Are you sure about that? Of course I believe you would never hurt me, babe. But I want you to swear it.
Okay.
Yes, swear it. Swear that if you ever do anything to hurt me, anything at all, even the littlest thing to hurt me, your life would turn upside down and collapse before your eyes, and nothing good will come your way.
I, David, on my honor, solemnly, is it promise?
Swear.
Swear that should I ever harm you or think of harming you, may nothing good come my way. May everything I have crumble. And what was that thing I said
Turn
again?
upside down.
May everything I have turn upside down.
And collapse before your eye.
And collapse before my eye.
And I promise to never do anything to break your heart either. What is it? David, what are you doing?
Samantha,
Yes. David.
Samantha, I want to ask you, bearing in mind that God is here, under the shadow of this building, under the sun, with the trees, the flowers, this beautiful environment, the wind bearing me witness, I want to marry you. Will you marry me? Yes? You just agree like that?
Yes, I just agree like
Just agree like that?
that.
Oh, I love you, baby. No. Samantha cannot die. Chiviana! The sea god! Samantha cannot die. How? How can she die? How? Chiviana, don't tell me everything now. You didn't tell me everything. You didn't give me the details. You should have just told me. How was I to know that Echi, that ate cow in the past, has resumed eating human beings? How will I know? How? No! Uloma will not die. Uloma will not die.
Car now.
New Haven.
Yeah.
New Haven. Friday, you can drive, right?
Yes, sir.
Go to New Haven. Go and bring
What happened now?
I think the battery is bad or something. Okay. Just go. Go and bring it.
Okay.
Go and bring it.
My love, what is wrong?
If you die now, what will happen to me?
God forbid! I cancel death from our life. Baby, if you die, what will I do?
Exactly the same question I'm asking you.
No, that's not what you're asking me. That's not what you mean. My love, what is going on? Come.
Where's Loma? Where's Loma?
I should be asking you that.
Oh, I mean Pauline. Where's Pauline?
Oh, okay. She took a stroll with Casey.
Strolling?
Mm-hmm.
What? What is is a child doing, strolling with a full-grown old man like Casey?
Well, I don't know. She suggested it.
She did?
Yes. She told Casey that you need to take a walk with me. I have something very important to tell you about Uloma.
No,
Casey.
Those two cannot, they are not allowed to be together. They cannot even talk in the private.
Why?
They cannot.
So what do you want to do?
You
want to go out and
find them. Look for them.
Why are you screaming at me? Stop shouting at me. How do you want me to find them? If you want to find them, you go find them yourself. Besides, okay, let's just say that I want to help you find them. Where do we start?
Well, you can go to any fast food joints. Man, plenty of them around. Look for her.
My love, don't be ridiculous. Okay? Do you know how many fast food joints they have here in Enugu?
You just have to look for them.
You're scaring me. And can you please stop sounding like this? You're confusing me. And you're scaring me.
No. They cannot. You must stop this love of Casey and Uloma. Must die.
Okay, my love, you need to calm down.
It must die.
I know you need to.
It can't stand.
I hear you.
Listen, baby. Listen. I love you.
I love you too. I love you so much. But you are scaring me. You need to stop.
Babe, if anything happens to you, I'll die.
Stop it! Stop talking about that!
I will die.
Why are you talking about that? Stop now! You're scaring me now!
Look, I have to look for this kids.
Why are you looking for them? What is so important? You need to talk to me!
They cannot be together. They cannot.
Why?
Oh no.
Dave!
No, they ask me why?
Dave!
Hi! Only God knows what happened to me. I heard he's a thief. I heard he immediately opened the car, a strange power hit him and he fell down and died.
But how do you come to sleep?
How you say that, my somebody's child? I heard the owner of this car is his boss. Hi! Oh boy.
Little one, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry I'm putting you out here in the sun. But you know I don't have a car in this town. Very soon the taxi will come and take us home, okay?
Thank you for the ice cream you bought for me.
I appreciate you thanking me. But you see, you promised to tell me something. You promised to give me information about Auntie Uloma. But you haven't told me anything yet. Can we talk?
If Uloma is standing near you, can you feel her?
How old did you say you are again?
7 years.
Are you asking me all these adult questions? You have been around adults too much. That's not good for your age.
Answer the question, sir, and I will tell you about Uloma.
Hey. What do you think you're doing?
Hey, bro, how
She's
you?
literally a child, you know? Have you gone out of your mind?
The little girl wants ice cream. She asked for it. I brought her out here to get ice cream. And you can look at her legs. She's just a kid. She can walk all the way home. So we're waiting for a taxi to take us home. Do you have to be dramatic all the time?
Are you out of your mind?
You like trouble!
You think I'm joking?
If you touch it,
You like trouble!
You think it's a joke? You think I'm joking? You think it's a joke?
What did he say?
If you touch him, you will regret it.
He's even advising you. Regret what? What will he regret? Regret what?
Say it! My friend, will you stop abusing that child?
You got something to say to me?
She's a child. Stop it! What's wrong with you?
She's trying to tell me something.
Tell you what?
What are you hiding? There's so much mystery around your house. Something wrong with this kid?
So what did she tell you?
She told me nothing.
Not yet, but if you don't tell him, I will tell him.
Will you shut up?
Why you keep shushing her? Are you hiding something? Is Uloma married? What's going on? Is she dead? Is Uloma dead?
She's alive. She's era that you can never think.
Will you shut up?
Where is she?
Shut up!
Where is she? Where is she? Standing there?
She's behind you.
Hey!
She's behind me?
See, I think the madness of your parents has come upon you. And I see you catching up with your generational madness. Come, my friend, let's go now. Let's go.
Where is Uloma?
She's alive. She's standing near you.
Can't
Uloma is standing near me where?
You're abusing this child. This abuse. Okay? And I won't take that. Listen to me. Have you been with all
Don't cry.
Never give up.
Let's go.
Never give up.
My friend.
Never give up. Never give up.
What I used to do, go back. Hey, you're not ever try to come to my house again.
What is going on
I
in your house?
regret ever letting you into my home. I thought you were some gentleman that will come in and behave yourself. And you see you censoring me. I see you thinking you're something because you're from America. So I don't really care right now. Don't you ever step your feet.
Listen, mister, I have a hotel that I'm already checked
Go
into.
and stay
I only
in the
checked
hotel.
that because I want me and Ulama to
Listen
move into a
me.
better place.
Listen to me.
Okay?
Listen to me. You can't come all the way from America and you don't have a lodging requisite.
Stop me.
And so you're coming to stay in my
Stop
house.
me. Stop me.
So
I'm
you
coming.
you can't pay for a hotel.
I have a hotel. I told you I just checked
Yeah, I
out.
don't
Are you
care.
dumb?
I don't want to see you in my
Are
house
you
again,
daft, Mr.
motherfucker.
David?
You're stupid to come.
I have a
Come back.
hotel.
What? You think I'm doing?
I'm coming.
I'm not joking.
Stop me.
Don't you try this.
Stop me. I'm coming.
Don't try with this. What?
I'm coming.
I change.
Listen. Ulama is where? Ulama is where?
Go back.
Ulama is where?
You push me. Stay here. If I see you outside again, or I see you talk to Casey, I have no choice. I'll just lock you up here.
Dad, I thought you loved me. What kiss?
Life. Life changed. Okay?
So you did this to me, and now I have to watch Casey with the heartbreak.
Shut up. You're a child now, and you must have the heart of a child. Heartbreak is not in the vocabulary of your age.
I am still Loma, trapped in the body of a child. My heart still feels what it was feeling.
Just don't come out. Did you hear me?
Remove this thing you did to me. Have you no conscience? Work and find money.
If I remove it, I would die. I don't want to die, Uloma.
So you don't want to die? You want me to die? So you want me to die?
Just stop it. Stop it. Don't ever talk like that again.
Daddy, you want me to die? Don't tell him! Tell him! Don't tell him! Confess! Confess! Tell David to confess. William is here. Confess! Confess! Tell David to confess. William is here.
No! What? What is it? What is it? What is it?
I thought I had some. Maybe it was just a dream.
A dream?
I heard someone telling me, confess, confess. Tell David to confess. Oloma is here. Well, I'm sure he's... I don't... But I heard...
Are you sure you're not coming down with malaria?
I don't think so, baby.
That's a sick thing to say. I mean, literally confess about what? What is there to confess?
but I'm very sure. Was I confess? Tell David to confess.
Who was saying that?
I don't know. But I just heard it in my sleep.
Just a bad dream, okay? Let's go back to bed. Okay?
I thought I... Okay.
Confess. Confess. Tell David to confess. What am I saying? Confess. Confess. Tell David.
I knew you were the one. I knew you were the one. The moment Sam said she was having confusion in her dreams, I knew you were the mischief maker. You are the one.
What's wrong with you?
Confess what?
Confess what? What are you saying? What is...
Everything okay here? Sorry, it's not everything okay.
I'm sorry, but I cannot remember asking you to come in.
I had a little girl screaming confession, confession.
It's not your business. Is that why you barged into our room? Did I ask you to come inside?
It's no manners. That's no manners.
I'm sorry, I'm just thinking of something about my girl, Ulama.
Confess. Confess. Tell David to
Shut up your mouth!
Confess
You shut your mouth! What's wrong with you?
What? I will deal with you if you don't open up your mouth and tell me what you're doing.
You got to tell me. Girl, squeeze your neck. Confess whatever it is you want to confess.
Have you lost your mind?
You kill me!
Ulama is here.
What are you
Ulama is
saying?
here. Where is she?
What? Wait.
Where is she?
Aya Ulama.
Oh!
Sam! Sam! Don't do this! Don't do this! No, please don't change! Who is this? Who is this? Sam?
What happened to me? What happened to me? God.
Sam, please come back to me. Sam, you know I truly love you.
Jesus.
Sam, I can't live in this house alone without you. Sam! Sam! Oh my God. Ulama. Jesus. Casey.
Baby, wake up. Baby, your mama is here. Wake up. Babe. Babe, wake up. I'm back. Your love has brought me back, babe. 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 Oh. Babe, please wake up.
My love.
Who's your love?
What happened to me, my love?
Where are you going?
I want to follow you.
You want to follow me where? Do you know where I'm going? Do you know where I'm going? Please go back to the car. Wait for me in the car. Wait for me in the car. The one you were following me.
My love.
What is wrong with this girl? Come on, enter this car. Come on, enter this car. You enter this car now. Enter this car now. Just enter the car. I will leave you here. Enter this car.
My love.
My love.
Why are you tormenting me?
My love.
Where do you think I'm going to? Where do you think we're going?
Be my love.
Oh, okay, come. 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 Come and enter this car. So you just wait for me. Wait for me in the car. You understand me? So when I finish my meeting, I'll come and we'll drive out together.
Oh, my love, don't do that for me.
Why? Who is your love?
You.
How? I don't know you.
But I know you.
Oh yeah, enter this car and wait for me. What's wrong with you?
My love.
Listen, you're getting me angry now. If I hear you say my love one more time.
My love. Baby.
Who is your baby? You're the baby of yourself. I'm the baby of myself. You're not my baby.
Baby, you're my baby.
Push baby. Now you be push baby. I'm gonna fire you there.
My love.
Ha! What is it? Why are you tormenting me?
To me!
Ha! Hey, Ijala.
My love.
Yeah, come. Shebi, you are my love. See, I will flog you with this if you don't respect yourself now. Ah!
My love. Baby. Baby.
Who's your baby?
Daddy.
Thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you there. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? I'm warning you, don't turn me to a madman. Everybody should be looking at me here now. This guy is making me like a madman. I don't know what I'm doing.
My love. My love.
Ijala, how do I do this?
My love.
Oh. What is it? Come. 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 Come, let's talk. Come, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's yourself not get brain. You know if you communicate with her. It's what I will do. Come now, we'll talk now. Come, let's talk. Okay, let me throw this stick away. Let's talk. Come. Okay. Let me go inside there and have a meeting with the chief. There's one chief there. I'll just go and do a meeting with him. Then I'll come back. Then we'll go home together. So you stay inside this car and wait for me.
No.
Why no?
Because of you, my love.
I'm not your love. I'm not.
For the rest of my stay here, yes. And before I go, I plan to buy us a house. It will be our home here. And you can live in it.
Wow.
Till I'm able to finalize your paper documentation to join me in the States. But first things first. I planned for us to have a proper cut wedding before I go back. And
Steve. Oh my God.
You're married.
Oh my God. Yes. Of course, yes, I'm married. Oh my God.
Surprise.
Baby, it's nice. I like the ring. I love it.
You love it? Oh, I'm happy you're happy. Oh, look how beautiful you are.
I'm so happy.
That's what's up. Am I full of surprises?
Yes.
Am I full of surprises of what?
Yes. I'm getting married. Oh my
You
God.
are to me. Shall we go inside?
Of course.
Come on, come with us. Come on. I don't have a key.
Chief, for how long? For how long will I keep living in this mystery?
Forever.
No. No, Chief.
Yes. Remember, if you send her away, or if you leave her, you shall lose your life.
No punishment is forever.
This one is. You are not true to your heart. You failed to give the gods, the spirits, the one you love most. You brought this upon yourself. You were not true to your heart. The worst thing a man can do is to sin against his heart.
But Chief, I can't continue to live like this. You not tell me say that problem to join your cult. No, nah, but this is not what you guys told me when I was coming now. This is not so jolly, so enjoyment, celebration, fun. You didn't tell me about this anger. And they talk, you see they conjure. Oh God. Chief. Wetin be this now? Wetin be this? What is this? Oh God. Chief, I can't continue living like this. I can't continue living my life in mystery. How do you expect me to live with a strange creature that I don't know? Not even the woman I fell in love with and engaged. This is totally strange human being. Chief, is it right? Is it fair? Check him, Chief. Check him now. Check him. You say check him. Check him. I told you, Chief, because the matter don't change. Check him now. The punishment is too much. I know everything in life has a price. This price is too much. That's taking over my whole life. Chief, this is not fair. I know fit take my whole life, they suffer. I know say nobody sent me. Yes, nobody sent me. I mean want money. I mean get ojukokoro. But this punishment is too inhuman. It's too beastly. I can't take it. Chief, my life is no more together. My life is finished. What am I living for, Chief? Chief! Baba, you damn me alone to your Lord. Baba, damn me alone to your Lord. Baba, I know they do this one way they do now. Baba, I don't do this now. beg and beg. I can't do this anymore. I don't want to do again. Take everything where you give me. Take it back. Take your money. Take the house. I go survive. But waiting a day inside now, Chief. Oh, Chief. No, Chief. Chief, make I open the streams of water, pour the oceans at your feet. Make you accept my apologies. The seagull! The seagull! The whale! The shark! Baba see the chant. Baba the chant, like the beg, I the chant. It's an enter like this.
The night trembles under ancient ways. Stars flicker like a whisper in the night sky. Mountains cry where forgotten spirits lie. The hum grows louder, cutting through the air.
What are you doing here?
Hey, baby, welcome.
Who is your baby? But you have your own room. What are you doing in my room?
Baby, I want to sleep here.
You're going to sleep here? Which chair are we going to sleep?
My husband's bed now.
Hey, baby. Who is your husband? Me. My friend. Get out of my room.
Baby.
What do you mean, baby? I said go out. You're still calling me baby.
Baby, come.
Come and do what? Listen. Just even look at the gown you're wearing.
It's my own gown.
Should buy you another one. I said leave my room.
Hey, baby, why shouting on me? Baby, why shouting on me?
Shouting on you how? I said leave my room.
Baby, I love
Jesus
you.
Christ, what is this? What is this? Leave my room. Okay, come down.
It's my husband's bed.
Jesus Christ, who's your husband? Get down, get down. Get out of my bed.
Please.
Ah, Jesus. Look.
Baby.
You are yourself, baby. I'm not your baby. Don't you ever baby me in your life.
Baby, come. Baby, come. Baby. Baby, come. Baby, come. No.
What is this? My goodness. I can't take this anymore. Everywhere is smelling. What is going on? What is going on? Oh my God. My life is finished. My life is finished. This is the end. This is not funny. It's no more funny. My goodness. How do I handle this? Who do I tell this? Just behind these four doors. The torture. The torture. What have I done to myself? What kind of cult I joined like this? Who sent me a message? Ha! I can't sleep here again this night. I have to go away and find. I don't know. I can't sleep on this bed. I don't get it.